So I will be speaking over for the content marketing. So we all are like entrepreneurs here, startups here, and the budding entrepreneurs here in the startup lanes. So if I ask one question that do you know why content is important? I think some of you would be laughing, Neha, what are you asking here? I mean, this is the first basic thing to present our business, to showcase our business. I've just in the previous session I said business plan is important. But you know why how to chalk down a business plan? When you chalk down a business plan in terms of content, in terms of a document, only then it works as a supporting tool. Otherwise सबका अपना अपना एक प्लान है, टीम में बैठे हुए हैं, they have the brilliant ideas, but they are not integrating in the form of a content, they are not integrating it in a form of a structure. It means nothing. Am I right? So what I am going to focus on, that why content marketing fails in startups, why content marketing fails in business, what can be those improvement areas अगर हम वहाँ पर थोड़ा थोड़ा ध्यान देंगे, so we can have a successful content marketing. Because of course every startup, every entrepreneur have understood, especially in the times of this pandemic, which great 2020 year. So everybody has understood the importance of being online. Everyone understood कि okay, I should be digital. The first very basic point is, let's say you have a product. Product is good or bad, that's another. But do you decide a strategy? You decide a strategy for development. You decide a strategy for business. You decide a strategy for everything. But do you decide a strategy for content? Because that's going to be your face, because that is the part which your digital marketing team is going to use. That is the part which your social media will reflect about your business. I mean, it is the spine of your branding nowadays. Okay, so do you know how to strategize the content? I'm sure that many of you would be following the LinkedIn blogs of Mr. Gupta. So if you look at his content, these blogs are well thought points which are elaborated and well written, because it reflects that before writing and before putting those LinkedIn blogs or the topics, he, this person thinks about that what I'm going to put on my LinkedIn. So it's a very life example in front of startup lanes, what to put, what to strategize. Strategy is not a negative word. It's a very 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 positive word for any business. Okay. So in my 15 years, and especially in last 7 years since I've started working with especially with startups as a self-employed person and then being an entrepreneur, 99% people, especially in the Indian market, they come and ask, what do you mean by strategizing the content? मतलब इसका क्या मतलब है? It's a wastage of time. यार मैं इतना टाइम अपने operations पे लगाऊंगा या लगाऊंगे ना, मतलब content पे क्या टाइम लगाना है? But see boss, with this time the approach is changed. Okay, so this is like one part, one very big reason that why content marketing plans of companies are failing. Second point is, do you decide any budget for your content? I mean, most of the companies, when they do budget planning, they have a very particular budget about the marketing. They have a budget about the development. They have a budget about the salespeople. But all the marketing nowadays, I'm referring the digital businesses. I'm not referring the offline businesses or offline models. I'm the models which are based on the online sales and everything related to online. So when you say online, how are you going to tell people that, boss, I have this great product? That's a later thing. They said no, your product is good or bad. That's another thing. But how would you present it, right? But again, I will come 80% of the people, especially those who claim themselves as the startups, very smart startups, or nobody decides a budget for the content people. They are like, yaar, aap 25 paisa lo, 50 paisa lo, and give me a good content. Guys, is it really possible? Just give it a thought. Here, at this point, I'm recently working on the 2 Indian government projects. Okay, even with those people, they hired a team, and what happened that उनका plagiarism issue था content में, they couldn't deliver the unique content. They came to us and said rectify it. But what was the core reason? Budget. So this is my humble request to every, and as you said in the previous session, business strategy, please don't miss your budget for the content, for a good content, because it's a very, very important part. And here the whole PPC, the whole you put a lot of money to Facebook ads or whatever, everything, it just fails. I mean, or maybe even if it doesn't fail, it doesn't give you the expected result. Third point is that, let's say we are a team of a co-founders, or maybe we are a team of certain people. Who is going to take care of your presentations and who is going to take care of your content? आप एक फाउंडर हैं and you say कि okay, जो marketing वाला बंदा है ना, he will take care of the content part, he will take care of my business presentation part, he will take care of this. But sometimes we lack, as a founders, we lack that time management for follow up, क्योंकि our business is our baby, not theirs. So the way we can represent, I mean, they can miss out to put that emotion, to put that energy, to put that vibes into this. So while designing a content marketing, you especially need to have a great follow-up, or you need to decide who is going to take the initiative in your organization, in your system, to make it happen in a good way. Okay. Or the last point is that nobody hires a consultant for content marketing. They are looking for the companies, most of the people are looking for the companies कि अच्छा ये digital marketing करते हैं, I will implement my marketing part, the leads will come in and I will filter out the leads. All right. Nobody is hiring a consultant or a strategist. Well, my concern is that it's a very important part. Even before designing your website, I mean, you should consult a consultant that, boss, how should I make my website for having a greater ROI? Website तो आज के टाइम में कोई भी बना सकता है. You go to Udemy, you go to any course on YouTube, and it will happen. So my this 5-10 minute session of my entire funda is that why marketing fails. So we should focus on, there will be many articles on how it can be successful, but my focus is that why it fails. So I am sharing just my experiences with you, where we leave a gap for that. So this was all about this. So anybody has any questions that what can we do, how can we rectify it, etc., you can definitely contact me. I'm available on LinkedIn also, so I would be more than happy to help you for that. So this is all. I mean, thanks for listening me.
Thank you so much, ma'am.